Welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, our YouTube channel where we demonstrate to you the china being listed on our website to give you a good feel for the condition and size, shape and quality of the china that we're offering you. This is Evesham Vale, made by Royal Worcester during the late 1980s and 1990s. In addition to the range, which was originally Evesham Gold and Evesham Orchard, this is characteristic feature is the green rim as opposed to a gilt rim. It does mean that it's suitable for dishwashers, microwaves and freezers, as it says on the base here. Post 1986 copyright marks. That's probably better demonstrated on the saucer actually. I think that has got the, yes, you see there the C 1986 and Royal Worcester Evesham Vale on it. Nice plain rim saucer, green detailing again, quite a large cup recess on the central well, as you can see. 3 blocks of decorated pattern on the saucer. Straight sided teacup with cherries on one side and black currants on the other, again with matching period 1980s Royal Worcester marks. In absolutely mint condition. There are 8 of these matching sets available that we're listing this afternoon in perfect condition for the replacement market. So if you're looking to expand your range of Evesham Vale teacups and saucers, or just take a fancy to them and would like some English Royal Worcester Evesham Vale china to add to your collection, then we've got 8 of these available for sale individually. They're not particularly expensive, very nice, good quality English china teacups. If you follow the link description below, it'll take you through to the website listing for this teacup and saucer duo. Thanks for watching.